So you want to know how I'm able to leverage over $50,000 a month in business credit? Well, you're in the right place because that's exactly what this video is all about. We're going to talk about how I build business credit, why it's relevant to me and why it's relevant to your business, how you can get started with business credit, and then we're also going to define what is business credit, why are people talking about it, what's the hype. And if you want more videos about business strategy for your massage or spa business, definitely like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first, let's define business credit. So business credit in the simplest terms is when you're able to buy something now on behalf of your company and then pay for it later. Vendor will send it to you before you have to pay for it, and depending on the terms that you have with that vendor, then you pay it back. That could be 7 days, 14 days, 60 days, or it could be a revolving line of credit. There's many different tiers of business credit. But to define it simply, it's when you get something now, pay for it later on behalf of your business. So now let's talk about why this is relevant to you and how I've also used it in my business. So I own a mobile spa and it's hybrid because we also take appointments here. And business credit is a big part of how I can purchase equipment, supplies, tools, and all sorts of things when it comes to my business. So I'll give you a real world example. So I am manual lymphatic drainage trained and certified, and I noticed that my clients were requesting wood therapy. And I also realized that I didn't have the tools to make that service happen for them. And so what I did, I went ahead and used my Amazon line of credit to purchase the supplies to provide wood therapy for my clients. So I was able to make money off of those services because I already knew that was something that they were interested in. And so I launched it to my clients, was able to make money from it before I had to pay Amazon back for sending me those supplies. So that's an example of how you can use business credit to launch services that you're interested in providing while also building your credit. Let me give you another example to kind of drive this point home. So some of you who have been following me for a while know that I'm working on a project that will require me to actually leverage funds from investors and just other ways of funding to create, we'll just call it a day spa. And so when I was talking to a business consultant about getting this project up and running, he asked me, what is my relationship with business credit? And I let him know that I've been building business credit over the past 2 years and I have a really good business credit score and yada, yada, yada. And so after I told him that, he let me know that I'd be eligible to apply for commercial mortgages in my business name, not using my personal credit or my personal side of what I have going on. And that is a huge game changer because that means that, I can continue buying real estate under my personal name and it's not going to be affected by, if my business purchases a commercial mortgage, to open up a space or something like that. So it's a way of, getting an asset in your business name without it affecting your personal credit or your personal credit score or anything like that. So as you can see, there's a lot of opportunities when it comes to knowing how to build business credit, such as purchasing cars under your business name, purchasing commercial real estate, purchasing supplies, startup funds, furnishings for your spa, whatever it is that you need to continue operating your massage business. So let's now talk about what are some steps that you need to take before you start building business credit. So signing up for NAB is going to be a really good game changer because that allows you to, sign up for something that's going to be automatic so you can have those positive payments reporting to your business credit and reporting to your Dun & Bradstreet number. So that is a tool that you can also use. What's also great about NAB is that it's going to show you grants or other loans that you can apply for your business based on what your credit history is. So it's going to show you what you can qualify for based on the information that you give it about your business and about your expenses and about your income. So sometimes I get the question, should I start building business credit even before I have my massage business set up? And I would say yes, absolutely. Even if you're in massage school right now and you're watching this video, this is something I wish I would have done, is go ahead and get your LLC, name your LLC something that is pretty general, just in case you go into, other types of businesses and things like that. And then get your DBA, that's gonna be your doing business as. So get your DBA and then name name your massage spa after that. And that is what's gonna allow you to go ahead and get your business bank account and get your Dun & Bradstreet number and all that good stuff. So even if you don't have a massage spa right now, but you know you wanna work for yourself, and this is if you decide you wanna have a team or not, you definitely wanna start building business credit, because a big excuse that I hear a lot when it comes to starting your massage business is, oh, I don't have the funds. But you can actually leverage other people's funds if you start building business credit now. And in a lot of situations, if you start building business credit now and then you start developing a relationship with, say, your bank that you have your business bank account under, then they're gonna tell you how you're gonna qualify for auto loans, or how you're gonna qualify for even just bank loans for just having a business set up with that bank. But it's all gonna be determined off of your business credit. So that is just a huge tip that I have for you all. If you've been following me for a while, or if you're on my email list, you know that I like to send you grant opportunities, scholarship opportunities, loan opportunities when it comes to building your massage business, because I don't want there to be any excuses. Y'all know I built my business with only $500, and that was before I even started building business credit. So I think this is a huge tool. And if you do need more help when it comes to building business credit, I'll leave a link down below for my masterclass. It is a bundle that will show you how I built business credit, what lines I have, and it also will give you my business credit tracker, which tracks how much business credit that I currently have. And this will tell you, what your payments are, all the lines that you get, and also some grants and scholarships that you can apply to for your business. So I think that's gonna be super valuable for you all, and I can't wait to hear about how that goes. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I do post to my stories every single day, or just about every single day, and that's another place where I do lives and offer more information about topics like these. So I will see you in the next video next week, and have a great day. Stay well. Bye.